Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. I personally believe there shouldn't be a designated day to express love, but there isn't any harm in showing our love and affection to make the day even more special for our loved ones. Today I'm sharing brunch ideas which you can enjoy with your whole family. So without further ado, let's go and see what we need for this Valentine inspired brunch board. So let's start with Bismillah. First, I'll show you how I make this heart-shaped cinnamon rolls. I bought some store-bought cinnamon rolls, took one out and unrolled the roll. Then start rolling both the edges at the same time until they meet in the center. Then with the remaining hanging part, just shape it like this. So now you have a heart-shaped cinnamon roll. I followed the same procedure and did the same with the rest of the cinnamon roll and bake them according to the package instruction. Now I'm taking the icing which came in a pack, add a drop of red color and it turned into a bright pinky icing. As soon as the rolls came out from the oven, I just drizzle it on top of each roll. That's how I make these heart-shaped cinnamon rolls. Now let's go and see how we make these heart-shaped pancakes. So you need a pancake special mold. Now if you don't have it, you can use a cookie cutter as well, but it would be little tricky to pick it up because this one have this handle to pick up the mold easily. Now I am pouring the batter in the middle of this mold. With the help of spoon, I am just pushing it towards the edges. So when batter start to look dry and it's got all bubbly from top, it means it's done from the bottom. Very carefully pick up the mold and flip this hard. And I already shared the recipe of my batter which I'm using here, and I will link that down below for you guys. Now let's go and see how we make these heart-shaped eggs. So first you need to hard boil your egg. When eggs are completely boiled, then take them out, wash them with the cold water and peel your eggs. Now you need anything round. You can use chopstick or hard straw, and you need to make a fake mold. Cut any egg carton or any juice box. I am using a juice bottle here. Put the egg right there in the middle, press it from top with this hard straw or a chopstick and tie it with any elastic. Today I am putting the other egg in the same mold. You can make separate mold for each egg. Just press it hard, and now we need to put it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. After that, you can see that eggs already took the shape. Just untie the mold and cut the egg in half, and you will have a heart-shaped eggs here. Now I have few fruits as well for this brunch board. I cut the strawberries in half. You can shape the strawberries as a heart shape as well. For apple, I just cut the apple into half, and now I'm slicing it, very thinly slicing it from top. Now you can push these slices and shape this apple into a heart. Now let's go and start assembling our board. Today I'm using this white tray. You can use any shape or size board for this brunch board. Then I already shared the tips and tricks how to do the board or charcuterie board. Always any bowls if you're using or any containers you're using goes first. Now I have Nutella and syrup here. Pancakes goes around the syrup and strawberries are going around the Nutella. Then I'm arranging other stuff here as well. You can use whatever you are using. Just make sure that it should look pleasing, and make sure just keep an eye on the color contrast as well. I am using some snacks as well. I have some strawberry wafers, some heart-shaped candies and Hershey's Kisses. Again, you can use whatever you like. And here is my Valentine inspired brunch board for you guys. Now if you are trying this at home, or if you're trying any one of this, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. And much love to you guys today and every day. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more videos like this.